We continue Unit 7 quadratics, converting to standard form. To convert any equation to standard form, multiply it out and combine like terms. You can use whatever method you have learned to combine those terms. So let's look at number 1. Convert each of the following into standard form. Okay, we have x minus 3 times x plus 4. Let's use double distribution to multiply. First, let's multiply the first two terms together. X times x is x squared. Next, we're going to multiply the outer two numbers together. X times 4. X times 4 is 4x. Now let's multiply the inner terms together. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And the last term is negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12. Let's combine the like terms. X squared plus x minus 12. So y is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. Number 2. Same problem. Let's use distribution. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. The inner terms, 2 times x is 2x. And the last terms, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Let's draw our line and combine like terms. This gives me 3x minus 13x minus 10. So y equals 3x squared minus 13x minus 10. Let's look at number 3. You can do this in different ways, but I like to multiply what's here first and then distribute the two. So let's just start with negative 2. Inside here we have x times x is x squared. X times 1 is positive 1x. Plus 7 times x is 7x. And 7 times 1 is plus 7. Combine these terms and we get x squared plus 8x plus 7. Multiply this by negative 2 and we get y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 16x negative 14. Remember, we have to distribute the 2 through each number in the brackets. So negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16x. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Number 4. We have y equals 2. Let's look at this. This is x plus 3 squared. So that is 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 plus 1. Y equals 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 3. This is a perfect square trinomial. So the short way is we know that this term is x squared. The 3 is 9. And 2 times 3 times x is 6x. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now let's distribute the 2 through. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 6 is 12x. And 2 times 9 is positive 18. I still have a plus 1. Combining all of our like terms, we have 2x squared plus 12x plus 19. And this is the answer. We can look at this another way. We have y equals 2 times x plus 3 squared plus 1. X plus 3 is multiplied to itself plus 1. Just like I did a while ago, multiply what's inside first, and then distribute the 2. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 3 is 9. And then we add 1. So now distribute the 2 through. To each term, 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 9 is positive 18. And I still have a 1. Combining all the like terms, 2x squared, 6x plus 6x is 12x, and 18 and 1 is 19. So the answer is y equals 2x squared plus 12x plus 19. Last question, number 5. Y equals x plus 2 squared minus 3. Again, this is a perfect square trinomial because we know if we multiply this together twice, we can use that pattern. So this is x squared. The 2 is 2 times 2, which is 4. And the middle terms are 2 times 2 times x. So what I have is y equals x squared plus 4x plus 4. And I still have a minus 3 I want to bring down. Combining like terms, we have y equals x squared plus 4x plus 1. If you don't recognize the pattern, that's okay. Let's look at it the other way. We have 5, again, is y equals x plus 2 squared minus 3. Y equals, this is x plus 2 times x plus 2 minus 3. Using distribution or FOIL, x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 2 is 4. But I still have to bring down the negative 3. Combining like terms, we have x squared plus 4x plus 1. So I still have the same answer. And this concludes converting into standard form.